5 craziest cars that are actually body kits. Hello and welcome back to MIA Luxury Cars. For today's video, we will be going to talk about the 5 craziest cars that are actually body kits. Let's get started. Number 1. Toyota 86 Sports Car. The Seno design, a future sports kit, transforms the exterior of a standard Toyota 86 sports car into something far more exciting and exotic. With a massive splitter, wide intake and cooling vents, and an aggressive shark nose, the body kit opened up the front end of the 86. The open engine bay window proudly displays the modified Toyota 3S GTE, 4-cylinder underneath the carved hood. The rear of the future sports kit keeps many of the stock styling cues, but widens and simplifies the design for a more eye-catching form, as does the massive wing. With its roll cage and bridge bucket seats, the interior is more weight conservative and track-oriented. This beautiful kit was unveiled by Sanner Design at the 2019 Tokyo Auto Salon and is currently listed on their website alongside a few of their other products, such as the stunning SD1 Mazda Miata kit and this carbon fiber wheelchair that appears to be uncomfortable at best. Mr. Sano founded this Japanese tuning brand many years ago and has since been creating custom art cars. Although they are still relatively uncommon in the United States, the Future Sports 86 is one of the coolest body kits on our list and is probably their most well-known model. Number 2. VLF Automotive. VLF Automotive was founded in the year 2012 and is named after the initials of its 3 founders, Villarreal, Lutz, and Fisker. Henrik Fisker joined the company in early 2016 and was a key port in conceiving the Force of One supercar, with his past design experience at BMW and Aston Martin. The brand's lineup currently consists of 3 models, but the Force One is by far their most well-known product. Although output was initially slated for 50 models, only 5 Force Ones were ever sold, making it one of the rarest cars on our list. The body of this VLF is made entirely of carbon fiber, resulting in a stunning and lightweight track machine. It has 21-inch wheels, sculpted hood contours, and 6 key front cooling vents. Henrik also designed a pair of ultra-thin laser blade taillights for the back, but chose to leave the exhaust outlets in their stock position, indicating the car's distinct identity. The interior has also been redesigned to be more comfortable, with the rich colors and soft materials. However, the chassis and drivetrain are shared by another popular exotic that many are familiar with. The first is based on the 5th generation Dodge Viper. This donor vehicle provides the Force One with a powerful 8.4-liter V10 engine with 745 horsepower. The car should be able to accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in 3 seconds and reach speeds of up to 218 miles per hour. With it, the Force of One's athletic stance and exterior proportions reflect some of the Viper's attitude. Despite this, many enthusiasts are surprised to learn that this classic freedom machine exists beneath the attractive body. Number 3. Gagliardi VX. With this next body kit, things take a sharp turn. The VX is an intriguing offering for enthusiasts looking for mid-engine German engineering, combined with a distinctly unique design. It was created by Gagliardi Designs, a California-based car shop that has been selling high-quality custom builds for the past 17 years. They now offer a variety of original designs with exotic styling at an affordable price. price. The VEX has a starting price at $45,000 USD, and you'll get a sleek fiberglass body with a removable hardtop, LED taillights, and 20-inch aluminum alloy wheels for that price. It's surprising that the Gagliardi VX is built on such a low-cost donor chassis, given its wild and supercar-inspired exterior. The build is based on the common Porsche 986 and 987 Boxster models, a car that can be purchased for less than $10,000. This makes it not only one of the most unexpected body kits on our list, but also one of the most affordable. Number 4. All-Electric GTE. It's sold by Draco Motors, a California-based startup that just unveiled the GTE as its first model at the 2019 Pebble Beach Concours d'Elegance. With slim lights, fluid body lines, and a prominent rear diffuser, it has a simple yet surprisingly effective design. The Draco GTE is powered by a quad electric motor setup that provides 1,200 horsepower and 6,490 pound-feet of torque, resulting in a unique and dynamic all-wheel drive system. Not surprisingly, the top speed of this one-of-a-kind Tesla killer is well over 200 miles per hour. Take away the GTE's flashy bodywork and powerful engines, and you'll discover something entirely different. Many EV fans would be surprised to learn that the Draco's chassis is based on a much more mundane model, the now-defunct Fisker Karma. While the Karma was a visually appealing vehicle, its poor performance and build quality did not help it sell when it was first introduced in 2011. Nonetheless, it has now been surprisingly demonstrated to be an incredibly capable donor car for Draco Motors to build the GTE on. With the crash structures completely intact, Draco was able to avoid many of the expensive tests required for the GTE to be road legal. Furthermore, the instant torque and accelerations have helped to place this model in a class of its own. Unfortunately, the price is as high as the performance figures. Production is limited to 25 vehicles, each priced at $1.25 million. Number 5. Rosi 66. This retro rebody was introduced in 2010 and was installed in the Corvette C6 generation. It clearly draws a lot of design inspiration from 1960s Vettes and provides a truly stunning blend of modern and classic elements. The new body features a stunning split window rear design, chrome bumper guards, and an entirely new interior. It retains the stock Corvette windshield as well as the A and B pillars, but the rest of the body panels are all replaced, resulting in one of the most eye-catching Corvette-inspired designs of all time. The only catch is that Rosi Motors listed the 66 at a startling $130,000 price tag, given that the C6 Corvette already looked good in stock form. It was difficult for many enthusiasts to justify the price. The 66, on the other hand, is hard to beat for those few die-hard Vette fans looking for a gorgeous retro look on a modern performance platform. The Rosi 66 is an excellent example of American muscle made beautifully. However, if you prefer Dodge drivetrains, the last car on our list may be more to your liking. So which car has caught your interest? And which car do you consider to be the best? Please let me know by leaving a comment below. And if you enjoyed this video, please press the like button, turn on the notification bell, and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. Thank you for stopping by to watch. See you in our next video.